Progress on PeeWee. Today we have repaired the cracked and bent foot peg here. This whole assembly had, I don't know if you remember from earlier video, had a huge crack down through here and was bent down, and I straightened out the best I could, heating it with an acetylene torch, and then made sure it lined up against the engine, because it bolts to the bottom of the engine. These 4 bolts bolt right up to this plate here, so it kind of goes up. Something like that. I think I have it quite in place there. There you go. After everything lined up and got it in place, it's not the prettiest job, but it'll hold. Then cleaning up the frame, removed all the mounting tabs for the old side covers and the big huge air cleaner battery box assembly that I'm not going to be using anymore. Just got those out of there. I've got another tank for it, but I forgot to bring it out, so I'll have to, and it's off of a different model bike, so I'm going to have to fab up the proper mounting setup. So for now, I'm leaving this on here. This is seat and tank mounting spot, so I'm leaving that on for now. Sorry, there was an interruption there. Yeah, so mounting tabs removed, all that removed. Ugh. Had to drill the assembly down here that mounted the air filter and battery box. Had welds here and here, oops, over here and over here, and then it was spot welded up here. So I had to drill those, I cut it off, ground down the welds, and then drilled out the spot welds up here. This whole assembly may end up coming out depending on what I come up with for the mounting air tank, but like I said, I forgot to bring that out today, so it's at the house. And then I cut off this rear mounting tab here. I'm not sure how this is all assembled. I don't really want to remove this. This is a structural piece, and I don't have a way to really bend any. I would like to remove it and put some nice bent tube in there, but I don't have a way to custom bend tube right now. So this is probably going to stay and get cleaned up with the rest of the bike and painted. And I need to build a small box here for the electronics. Once I figure out exactly how the seat has to mount, I will fab up a small box for the electronics, and then the battery is going to sit down here in right down in here where the fender used to mount. So that's about it for right now. Not sure if I'm going to keep going or I have some tools I need to fix.